Dear students, let us discuss some problems of Unit 4. Already I have discussed about the Unit 4 quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics, two aspects: dual nature of wave, dual nature of particle. In dual nature of wave, we have discussed three cases: blackbody radiation, photoelectric effect, Compton effect. First we start the problem of photoelectric effect. In photoelectric effect, first problem is a sodium surface is illuminated with light of wavelength 300 nanometer. The work function for sodium metal is 2.46 eV, electron volt. You have to find the maximum kinetic energy of the ejected photoelectrons and find the cutoff. Cutoff means threshold. Threshold wavelength for sodium. Also you can find here the threshold frequency for sodium. Also I can write here, find the cutoff or threshold frequency for sodium. So if you can find the wavelength, you can find the frequency. You know the relation between wavelength and frequency. So how you find the maximum kinetic energy of the ejected photoelectrons? You know the formula, that is called Einstein's photoelectric equation. Energy of the photon is equal to, the answer we are discussing, E is equal to, you can say W is the work function, and K max. Energy E is the energy of the photon, W is the work function of the metal surface, K max is the maximum kinetic energy of the ejected electrons. So from this relation you can find out K max is equal to E minus W. E minus W. And what are the given values? The work function is given 2.46 electron volt and the wavelength is given 300 nanometer. So you can find out the energy as HF or H nu, you can say H nu minus W. W is given. So H nu from H is the Planck's constant, C is the speed of light, these are the constant values. So H nu again you can find the nu as C by lambda. So you know frequency and wavelength related with nu is equal to C by lambda. So in place of nu you can write the frequency of the light, you can write here Hc by lambda. You can write Hc by lambda. So Hc by lambda, from this constant value you can see Hc is 1240 electron volt into nanometer. You can verify it. So H is this value 6.63 into 10⁻34 joule second. C is 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second. So from these two value you can find Hc is approximately 1240 electron volt nanometer. So what is electron volt? Electron volt value is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 joule. So from this relation you can find Hc value this one. And lambda is given, lambda is 300 nanometer. So you can put here Hc by lambda. So you can write Hc is 1240 by lambda is given 300 nanometer. So 300 minus W is given, W value is 2.46. So this value give around 4.13 eV. So it is around 4.313 eV minus 2.46 eV. So it is 4.13 and it is minus 2.46. So the result will be 1.67 eV. So it is your K max. So K max value is this one, 1.67 eV. So it is the answer of first one, maximum kinetic energy. Then second one, cutoff wavelength for sodium light. So for cutoff wavelength means you will find out from the work function value. So work function is 2.46 eV. So W is equal to 2.46 eV. Then W is equal to Hc by, you can say, lambda naught is equal to 2.46 eV, which implies lambda naught is equal to Hc by 2.46. So Hc value is there 1240. So 1240 by 2.46, which is equal to around 504 nanometer. So it is 504 nanometer. So lambda naught is your cutoff wavelength, or you can say threshold wavelength. So from lambda naught also you can get cutoff frequency by taking this relation. So if lambda is given, you can find nu. So how? So you can write, okay, I will write here. So nu is equal to, I can write nu naught is equal to C by lambda naught. So C value you know, C value 3 into 10 to the 8 meter per second by lambda is equal to 504 nanometer, means 10 to the minus 9 meter. So you find the answer. That is in terms of hertz. That is in terms of hertz. So again I am repeating the problem. It is the problem of photoelectric effect. Everybody knows what is photoelectric effect. The phenomenon where electron is ejected from a metal surface when a suitable wavelength of light incident upon it. That is the photoelectric effect. So here the sodium surface, sodium means it is the metal surface. It is illuminated, means light incident, 300 nanometer wavelength. Then the work function for sodium metal is 2.46. Wave function is given. So you have to find out the maximum kinetic energy and cutoff wavelength. So from this relation, you find first energy, this relation photoelectric effect. So find out K max, E minus W. So this is the value 1.67 eV, K max. Then second problem you find from work function. Work function it is Hc by lambda naught. Okay, so it is Hc by lambda naught. Then from this relation you find lambda naught is equal to 504 nanometer. So from this wavelength you can find out the threshold frequency. Threshold frequency is equal to C by lambda naught. Or if you from this relation you can write W is equal to H nu naught is equal to 2.46 eV. So from this also, from this relation also you can find out nu naught. Nu naught is the threshold frequency. So threshold frequency you can get directly from this relation, or from the wavelength also you can get from this relation. Nu naught is equal to C by lambda naught. I hope you understood this problem. Thank you.